Nausea, vomiting, and bloating are some symptoms that are common in pregnancy, postpartum, and new motherhood experience. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, this ginger spice tea is for you. Grate some ginger, add lemon, cinnamon, star anise, cloves, and some water. If bloating is the culprit, add coriander seed, fennel seed, and cumin. Bring it to a boil. Use a strainer to strain. Add sweetener of choice. In this case, I'm using some honey. And remember to sip slowly and not chug. Chugging incorporates air into your system. I hope you feel better, Mama.
Thank you very much for watching. Inshallah, I hope you like it and you're gonna try it. So inshallah, until next time, I hope to see you soon. Take care of yourself and be in the best of health and iman. Assalamu alaikum. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and join the family. Assalamu alaikum.